In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to change this blog style homepage for a static homepage. So if we go over to the dashboard and go to pages, you need to click on add new and create a new page. I've already done that. I've created my homepage. It's just, again, just a simple text-based page that I can use to show you how this all works. And to make this my homepage, I need to go down to the reading settings, and under your homepage displays, it's currently set to your latest posts, which is why it's displaying my blog posts. I want to choose a static page, and then from the homepage drop down box I want to select the homepage that I created and just showed you. If I go back to my homepage now and refresh, you'll see that we now have that homepage being displayed on the homepage of the website. That homepage isn't going to change. If I want to change that homepage, I need to go in, I need to go to my pages, and I need to directly edit this page. That's the only way to change my homepage. In my list of all pages, you'll see that my homepage has a label, front page. That's telling me that I've got it selected as the homepage for my site. As I mentioned in the videos earlier in this course, I wouldn't choose homepage for the title of your homepage because it displays on that homepage just like that. What I would do, if it's your blog, which is what it is for this type of site, let's say we'll call it Andy's blog and just update it. And then on my homepage, if I refresh, you'll see that the title of my homepage is Andy's blog. One slight issue here is that if I have a static homepage, where do my visitors find my blog posts? Because it's not here. Well, there's a couple of things we need to do. The first one, let's go back to the all pages, and I'm going to create a new page and call it blog. I'm not going to put any content in there because WordPress is going to manage this for us. We're going down to settings, reading, and under posts page we want to choose the blog page that we just created. Click on save changes. And what WordPress is going to do, it's going to use that empty blog page that we created and list all of our posts on there. However, we still don't have any way for our visitors to get there. So let's go back to the appearance menus. And if I go over to my pages and view all, I should be able to find the blog post that I've just created. Let's add that to the menu and click on save changes and go back to the home page and refresh. And you can see now the visitors coming here have a link to my blog. If I click on it, WordPress displays my blog posts. One thing you might like to do is perhaps move your proper legal pages like privacy policy, maybe terms and disclaimers and anything else down into the footer instead. So let's just do that. I'm going to remove the privacy policy from my legal menu, and I'm going to change the name of that because it's no longer really a legal menu. Save it as top menu. And then I'm going to create a new menu, this link here, and call this legal menu. Click create menu. And then I want to go to my pages. I want to add the privacy. If I had terms and disclaimers, I would add those as well. Then click on save. We can now add that to the footer menu. Let's click on save there. If you go over to have a look at the site now, the footer menu isn't down there yet because in this Astra theme you have to enable it, and you do that in the customize screen, and this is where we can build the footer. Go down to footer builder and you can see it's got this area down the bottom now where you can build your footer. At the moment we've got the copyright notice, and if you click on that you can go in and you can edit the copyright. But what I want to do is I want to add the footer menu, the legal menu, down here, and I've got 5 places. I can put left, right, left, middle, right here in this layer. I'm going to go for the middle column. I'm going to click on the plus and I'm going to click on footer menu. If I select that footer menu, you can see that we've got general and design tab. Click on the configure menu from here and then just go down, make sure legal menu is selected there. It should be because we did that earlier in the video, and click on publish. And then if we close the customizer, we'll find that the footer menu now is down in the footer. So that's how easy it is to create a static style homepage for your blog. We've got the link up there to the blog, but the home page is a static page.